Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. In today's video we are going to review this circle cutter by Fiskars. So I have not yet opened it, it's been with me for a long time, so let's quickly open this. So this is a spare blade, you can see this. It's got a very sharp tip, so you have to be careful, so I'll keep this aside. Comes with a small manual. So we have a control knob, we have body cups, we have wheel lock, we have a lot of many things. So let's see how this works. Okay, this looks really cool. As you can see that here is a scale that will allow you to increase or decrease the width of your circle. I'm not able to figure out how to actually move this. Oh yeah, you can increase and change the, so that's the maximum that you can do. So this is around 8 centimeters width of circle that you can create. So this is on one side, and similarly it's quite tight. Okay, sorry, you have to loosen this. This is the first time I'm using it, guys, so now you can move this like this. So yes, so you can fix the distance that you want to use, and once you have fixed the distance, so let me fix it here. You have two blades already here, but this is what we need to fix here. So let me fix this. So you can see that I have fixed the blade. Now I need to fix, so let's start with a small circle. Tighten it. Just to repeat, because it's a thick paper. A perfect circle. This is really nice. I am really excited. So let me try with a little more smaller circle, because I can see that biggers are easy to cut. So just use this wheel to loosen it, make it slightly more smaller. So if this goes inside, the circle is small. If this goes outside, the circle is big. So the maximum it can cut is like this huge circle, but we want to cut a small one. So let me cut a smaller one. So once you are happy, you fix it, you press this, and then you just move it. I'm getting kind of familiarizing myself now. Make sure that your paper does not move, otherwise you will get small strips like this, so that's not good. Okay, so a little, I forgot to apply pressure here, so that's why it is not fully cut, but otherwise you can see that the cuts are really sharp on both of them. The cuts are very sharp. Alright guys, so that's a quick review of the this circle cutter from Fiskars. I think I will need a little bit more time to get used to using it properly. Right. These are two more blades that are stored here, so I have total of 3 blades. And so guys, see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.